Today we're visiting TT's Old Iron Brewery and Barbecue in Spokane Valley. Here, the smell of barbecue and a happy, upbeat atmosphere make this brewery feel like your neighbor's backyard.
Everyone's always happy, having a good time.
Easygoing, super friendly.
Kind of like coming home.
We want people to feel like when they're walking through our front doors, they're walking into their neighbor's backyard.
James Beard-nominated chef Chad White wanted to create a space that felt both familiar and fun.
This is what you would expect to see in a barbecue place.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a barbecue shack inside.
It does, right?
I mean, it's amazing. It's real barbecue food.
I came because I knew about Chef Chad and his other restaurants in town and always been a big fan, and this didn't disappoint at all.
It's like what you'd feel you would get in a backyard. There's no fuss with our barbecue.
Anywhere you go with food like this and beer, it's going to be a good time.
Chef Chad White has had an excellent career with many locations and accolades along the way, but he chose to come back to his hometown.
You know, there was something about going back where you're from when you're old enough to appreciate it.
Yeah,
and
totally.
so that's really what brought me back to Spokane. But the community in Washington, a bit different than what I experienced when I was in California. Everyone comes together to support each other, and I think that's like the big thing about Washington. So the big thing for us is trying to support local as much as possible. This is where we live, and we want to play and spend our money here. It just kind of helps us really stay true to our locale and support our community.